The A-10 Warthog. It's not pretty, it's not fast. But it's one tough bird. Built around a massive cannon, the A-10 is designed for one thing: killing tanks and other things that go boom on the ground. It's a close air support aircraft, which means it flies low and slow right into the teeth of enemy defenses to protect soldiers on the ground. It's a dangerous job, but someone's got to do it, and the A-10 does it better than anyone. The heart of the A-10 is its GAU-8 Avenger cannon. This isn't just any weapon, it's a marvel of modern engineering and a testament to the power of military innovation. This is not your average machine gun. The GAU-8 Avenger is a beast in its own right, designed to deliver unparalleled firepower. It's a 30mm cannon that fires massive depleted uranium rounds at a blistering rate. These rounds are designed to penetrate the toughest armor, making the GAU-8 a formidable weapon in any combat scenario. When this thing fires, it sounds like the devil is clearing his throat. The sheer power and noise of the GAU-8 in action is enough to send shivers down the spine of anyone within earshot. And when those rounds hit, well, let's just say it's bad news for whatever's on the receiving end. The impact is devastating, capable of obliterating enemy tanks and fortifications with ease. The GAU-8 is so powerful that the A-10 was literally built around it. Engineers had to design the entire aircraft to accommodate the size and recoil of this massive cannon. The entire plane is designed to absorb the recoil and keep the gun on target. This ensures that the A-10 can deliver precise and sustained firepower even in the most challenging combat situations. Over the years, the A-10 and its GAU-8 Avenger have proven their worth in numerous conflicts. From the Gulf War to more recent engagements, this aircraft has consistently demonstrated its ability to dominate the battlefield. Pilots and military personnel alike have praised the A-10 for its ruggedness and reliability. The GAU-8 Avenger in particular is often cited as a game-changer in close air support missions. Despite its size and firepower, the A-10 is surprisingly agile. This combination of agility and firepower makes it a versatile and deadly asset on the battlefield. Maintaining the GAU-8 Avenger is no small task. It requires meticulous care and precision to ensure that it operates flawlessly in the heat of battle. As the A-10 lands and is prepped for another mission, one thing is clear: the GAU-8 Avenger remains one of the most powerful and respected weapons in the arsenal of modern warfare. The A-10 has seen its fair share of action over the years. This aircraft, affectionately known as the Warthog, has been a staple in the U.S. Air Force's arsenal for decades. Its rugged design and powerful armament make it a formidable presence in any combat zone. From the scorching deserts of Iraq to the rugged mountains of Afghanistan, the A-10 has proven its worth time and time again. Its ability to operate in diverse and challenging environments has made it an invaluable asset to ground troops. The Warthog has earned a reputation as a fearsome opponent, capable of delivering devastating firepower with pinpoint accuracy. Its GAU-8 Avenger cannon, a 7-barrel Gatling gun, can unleash a hail of 30mm rounds that can obliterate enemy armor and fortifications. Recently, the A-10 was called into action against Houthi rebels in Yemen. The conflict in Yemen has been ongoing for years, with various factions vying for control. The Houthis, a formidable group, had set up a mobile missile launcher, posing a significant threat to coalition forces in the area. The Houthis had set up a mobile missile launcher, a serious threat to coalition forces in the area. Enter the A-10. With its unmatched ability to provide close air support, the Warthog was the perfect choice for this mission. The Warthog swooped in low and unleashed a storm of 30mm fury from its GAU-8 cannon, reducing the launcher to a pile of twisted metal in seconds. The precision and power of the A-10's attack left no doubt about its effectiveness in neutralizing threats. The aftermath of the airstrike was a testament to the A-10's capabilities. The missile launcher, once a looming threat, was now nothing more than a smoldering heap. This recent encounter in the desert serves as a reminder of the Warthog's vital role in modern warfare, providing unmatched support to ground forces and ensuring the safety of coalition troops. Section 4, Guardians of the Ground, the A-10's role in modern warfare. In an age of drones and stealth fighters, the A-10 seems like a relic of a bygone era. With sleek, high-tech aircraft dominating the skies, the A-10's rugged, almost archaic design stands out, but don't let its looks fool you. The A-10, affectionately known as the Warthog, is a beast in its own right. Its design is purposeful, built around its massive GAU-8 Avenger cannon, and it has proven time and again that it can take a beating and keep on flying. The Warthog is still a vital asset in modern warfare. Its ability to loiter over the battlefield, absorb damage, and deliver precise, powerful strikes makes it indispensable. Why? Because sometimes you just need a big gun. The GAU-8 Avenger cannon, with its 30mm rounds, can tear through tanks and fortifications, providing a level of firepower that few other aircraft can match. Drones are great for taking out high-value targets, offering precision strikes from a distance. They can loiter for hours, gathering intelligence and waiting for the perfect moment to strike. But they lack the firepower to provide close air support to troops in contact. When ground forces are engaged in intense firefights, they need immediate, overwhelming support to break enemy lines and ensure their survival. That's where the A-10 comes in. Its ability to fly low and slow, combined with its heavy armor and powerful armament, makes it the perfect aircraft for close air support missions. When friendly forces are pinned down and taking fire, the situation can become dire very quickly. The enemy might have the upper hand, and without immediate support, the outcome could be disastrous. The A-10 can be overhead in minutes, ready to deliver its payload with pinpoint accuracy. Its presence alone can be a game-changer, providing a much-needed morale boost to the troops on the ground, providing devastating firepower and turning the tide of battle. The Warthog's ability to deliver sustained, accurate fire makes it a formidable opponent. Its pilots are highly trained, capable of making split-second decisions that can mean the difference between life and death for those on the ground. In the chaos of modern warfare, the A-10 remains a guardian of the ground, a symbol of strength and resilience. Section 5. When close air support is needed, the A-10's impact on ground troops. Ask any soldier who's ever been on the receiving end of an A-10 strike, and they'll tell you that sound, that distinctive brrr-t-t-t-t, is the sound of salvation. It means help is on the way, and the enemy is about to have a very bad day. The A-10 doesn't just destroy enemy targets, it demoralizes them. The psychological impact of seeing and hearing an A-10 in action can be just as effective as its firepower. Section 6. Beyond the battlefield. The broader implications of air power. The A-10 is more than just a weapons platform. It's a symbol of American air power, and a reminder that when it comes to protecting its interests, the United States has a very big stick. The mere presence of A-10s in a region can be enough to deter aggression and maintain stability. It's a powerful tool, both literally and figuratively. Section 7. A legacy of firepower, the enduring relevance of the A-10. The A-10 Warthog has been flying for over 40 years, and it shows no signs of slowing down. Despite attempts to retire it, the Warthog continues to prove its worth in combat. In an age of ever-evolving threats, the A-10's unique capabilities remain as relevant as ever. It's a testament to the plane's design and the skill of the men and women who fly it. The A-10 Warthog, it's not pretty, but it gets the job done.